Reolink cameras commonly connect via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi for its superior range. Connection failures often stem from incorrect Wi-Fi passwords, which are case-sensitive, interference from other devices, outdated firmware, or router incompatibility. This video will guide you through troubleshooting. Start with these essential troubleshooting steps for your Reolink camera Wi-Fi connection issues. First, confirm your router supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and that it's enabled. This frequency band offers better range and compatibility for most Reolink cameras. Second, power cycle both your camera and router. Unplug them for 30 seconds, then plug back in. This simple reset can resolve temporary connection problems. Third, carefully verify the Wi-Fi password in the Reolink app. Ensure correct capitalization and special characters, as passwords are case-sensitive. The Reolink app simplifies camera setup. First, open the app and select Add Device from the menu. Next, enter your Wi-Fi network name and password in the app. Ensure the information is accurate and case-sensitive. Put your camera into pairing mode by following the instructions. Look for a flashing LED light on the camera to confirm it's ready. The app includes diagnostic tools to identify Wi-Fi issues. Also, ensure you're using the latest version of the Reolink app for best compatibility. Wi-Fi passwords are case-sensitive, so uppercase and lowercase letters must match exactly. Special characters and symbols are also important. For example, password and password are different. If you've forgotten your Wi-Fi password, you can change it by logging into your router's settings. Open a web browser and go to 192.168.1.1, which is the default address for most routers. Once you've changed the password in your router settings, test it by connecting your phone to the Wi-Fi network first. This confirms the new password works before attempting to connect the camera. For security, use WPA2 or WPA3 encryption on your Wi-Fi network. WPA3 offers the strongest protection with features like individualized encryption. Avoid WEP, which is obsolete and vulnerable to attacks. If basic troubleshooting fails, it's time to perform a hard reset on your Reolink camera. This will restore it to factory settings. Locate the reset button, which is usually a small pinhole on the camera body. Using a paperclip or similar tool, press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. Continue holding until you see the LED light flash differently, indicating the reset is complete. The camera will reboot and return to factory settings, erasing all previous configurations. You'll then need to repair the camera with the Reolink app, entering your Wi-Fi credentials again. Make sure you have them ready. Wi-Fi interference often occurs because the 2.4 GHz band is crowded with signals from various devices. Microwaves, Bluetooth gadgets, and neighboring Wi-Fi networks can all disrupt your camera's connection. To address this, use a Wi-Fi Analyzer app on your phone to check signal strength at the camera's location. Look for a reading of -50 dBm or better for optimal performance. Finally, consider repositioning your router or the camera itself to reduce interference. Moving them away from sources of disruption can significantly improve connection stability. For advanced users, quality of service settings on your router can prioritize camera traffic, ensuring stable connections. Check your router's manual for specific instructions on configuring QoS settings. Also, ensure your router's firmware is up to date, as updates often improve device compatibility. Some older routers might not be fully compatible with Reolink cameras, so consider upgrading if issues persist. Newer Reolink models now support both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi bands. If you have a dual-band camera and a compatible router, switching to 5 GHz can provide a more stable connection with less interference. Reolink is also adopting Wi-Fi 6E technology, which will deliver faster and more reliable connections in future models. To ensure optimal performance, always keep your camera's firmware updated to access the latest features and improvements.